brothers and sisters of light and dark. Dark Archeons. I say dark Archeons to scare the hell out of people. Dark Archeons, angels and demons. Woo! Of those of light and dark and justice, who represents justice, love, and peace. Peace and love to you all, demigod gods and shift shapers and alien beings. They can understand my mind. Okay, which is most likely disturbed by voices every night. So, okay, what I'm going to talk about in this video, okay, I'm going to talk about why technology can never defeat a god. Because in the Hindu scriptures, it says that human beings went against the god and they were destroyed instantly. There's actually proof of this, okay? In space, there's something flying around. Oh yeah, I was watching a YouTube video, and I found out there's some obstacles in space, the most mysterious things in space, floating around in our atmosphere. But this one particular object, which they didn't bring into orbit yet, it's a satellite, they call it. And they say it's over 13,000 years old. Why did they say that it was over 13,000 years old? Because I can see it from a distance. Look up on the internet, the satellite in space, a mysterious object, and you'll find out that there was probably an ancient war that was smashed, okay, because of technology. I'm gonna talk about that. I'm also gonna talk about what your daughters should know about how to taking care of their king. Okay, your daughter should know how to take care of a man. Okay, this will make the world a better place, actually. Also, I'm gonna talk about the curse of a woman and the curse of a man. Okay, and I'm also going to talk about what boys and girls should be forced to learn about the power of sex and also balance. Okay. First of all, if you look on the internet, you'll find out there's so many mysterious things in space. Quasars and quantum photon stars T26, 5, 6, 7, 8, double quasar and pulsar stars, quasar stars. All sorts of weird, mysterious things. A black hole near a pulsating star. Just look up Dark 5 or something, you know. Look on my page. You can see what I subscribe to, okay? You'll learn so much on my page. But technology can never defeat a god. If a god comes down, you just best to be humble, okay? Okay, there's no need to fight. And we're going to see what they do. Say what they do. I think that's a wise choice. Technology in history, throughout the history of mankind, has been destroyed probably at least about 2 or 3 times because we became one civilization, a diversity of civilization of humanoid races, different races. Even the alien race was with us at one time. There's proof of this. Where human bodies was laying next to alien bodies in caves and shit. You know that shit? You better look on that goddamn internet and look at the pictures, man. Got this shit in museums and shit. And the Vatican knows about this shit. They're not gonna tell you. Okay? Gotta find out. You better find out on your own, man. Now, okay. When you have a girl, okay, when you have a daughter, see, that's why you gotta be very protective of girls, because they can destroy the world too, you know, piece by piece, microscopically, okay? Racism exists, okay? Blacks should have their own, and whites should have their own. But we can have the ability to still get along, though. Once you teach your girl, about sex and how to act and be passionate for their kings and respect them, and also be educated so they can be balanced, okay? But that's what you teach your girls about. You teach them about sex and passion to make sure they know how to please their man. Because most men cheat because of sex and passion. Or they don't got nothing in common. A woman has to be active. Teach her those things, okay? Okay. What boys and girls, the same thing. Same thing. For girls, they should serve their man, okay? They serve their king. If you read in every religion, a woman must serve a man of God or a man of Christ. You must kneel before him, okay? So you have to understand that order. That's religion. If you're religious, you have to understand what I'm saying is correct, okay? There's no doubt about it, okay? Religion completely obliterates women. Women have no rights in any religion, okay? As a matter of fact, because it's probably more geared towards the man who created it. Like I told you, white man, okay? So you teach your girls to respect the man and compliment him, and don't strike him in his heel like the Bible talks about. That's the curse. And force them to learn about it. Teach them about the power of sex and balance, okay? If you teach your daughters how to be independent and stuff, that causes chaos upon most men. You telling that girl, like, don't choose any other man. I'm like, what are you talking about? That man has everything except you don't have no money. Is that your root cause of finding love? That's not love. That's not love to choose a man because he got money and he can support you. That's not the reason why women should be with no man. Okay, don't teach your daughters that shit. He better be secure financially. Okay, because that woman, your daughter may find someone great and have no money at all. Then what you gonna do? Okay, and you tell your daughter y'all have to find a way because you can't stay here and make babies. Okay, you have to get out. Okay, now the power of sex is very powerful, and it's also the power of balance, baby. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about the woman's curse and the man's curse. The woman's curse is really simple. When women don't understand what balance is, the world turns into war, chaos, destruction. The men get so corrupt. They start dropping bombs on each other. Then what can a woman do? You have a woman president and you think she's gonna do something? No! The men will always be the slaves of building buildings and shit. They'll be building skyscrapers and tanks and shit. Fucking weapons of mass destruction the white man creates. Two different races. The more human race, the humanoid races are more colored. They don't build mass destructions of weapons. They worship the earth. Okay, they respect the earth. The white race is different. I told you this in the past video now. Okay, they come from another world. They need to be separated. If they don't want to separate, let them separate. Okay. Curse of a woman is she bleeds. Okay. She understands she has a womb down there. She might not be attracted to some men, but she can't be attracted to any old man. She should be attracted to a man by his mental mind, not because how she's highly attracted to that man. You don't teach your daughter that shit. You keep her away from the BETs and black entertainment channels and the seductiveness of sexuality. Sex is a spell, baby. Sex is in almost every movie. High sex appeal. The higher you get, the higher fluctuation the world gets into. Sex is like an evil spell. Provocative, okay? Promiscuous. Okay, one man with many women, he can show off if he's already married, he can take care of them. Now, a man's curse is basically hitting themselves. They fight each other, they kill each other, murder and death, even disease and famine because of the woman. I already told you this in the past now. So understand what I'm saying, it's common sense here. It's old and ancient, okay? Women don't respect man, you got a problem. And you keep believing in the Garden of Eden. You're a fool to think that was Almighty God. Okay, you might as well just say God and Satan made an agreement. Okay, especially in the Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden is an agreement. God allowed them to be in the Garden of Eden and said, okay, if you can convince them to eat of the fruit of the tree, you know how much power God has if he's the almighty powerful God? No, that was the Anunnaki. That was a powerful God, white God. That's why you see white people. You don't see black people in the Garden of Eden. You never see that picture. So Lilith was first created. And you see Lilith, she disappeared because she was just like the man. She was butting heads with him. And you see now what she does. So you know what Lilith does? She disappeared because she was just equal as that man sexually. And you don't be equal to a man sexually. A man always controls it, okay? Okay? And Lilith goes into dreams and make people die and get them sick, especially girls. She empowers them. Look up Lilith. She was in the Bible. She's written in the Bible actually one time. But I read the whole story of Lilith, baby. Lilith. Okay. But thank you for listening to my videos, brothers and sisters. Okay. War is caused by women. I'm trying to tell you. Okay. I love you, brothers and sisters. I'm just trying to help you. Do some more research. Humble yourself, women. And y'all men, y'all get more wiser. More spiritually wiser. Respect the earth. Much love to you, brothers and sisters of light and dark. Much love to you, brothers, demigods, werewolves, vampires, and alien beings, shift-shapers, all dinosaurs and shit, and dragons and shit. Thank you for listening to my video. Peace.